Anyone who knows me knows I'm very persistent. I don't give up easily. My persistence is my resolve. A few years after I published my first book, I was becoming more and more interested in leadership. I was especially interested in what the future of leadership in organizations looked like. Using my pen and following my grandfather's advice, I reached out to people I thought could help me. In this case, those people were the authors of a book titled The Leader of the Future. I wanted to connect with them and let them know that I thought there was a need for a book that also addressed organizations and processes, not just individual leaders. Again, following my grandfather's advice, I wrote to the authors several times until they finally responded. You know what they said? Maybe you should write the book. They were not being rude. They were simply challenging me. And no one loves a challenge more than me. My background was not in the academia or in organizational management. I was an automotive engineer. But what I lacked in the subject matter expertise, I more than made up with my own resolve. I put together a list of what I considered to be the world's top thinkers and asked my wife if she would support me in my efforts. She told me it was a crazy idea because I did not have a PhD in management or even an MBA. Maybe it was a crazy idea, but I knew I could do it. I had the resolve. And I was on a mission. My wife told me that of course she would support me. 2 years later, my second book, Management 21C, was published, and I became as well known for my work in strategy and management as I had in quality and engineering. Once again, grandfather was right. By choosing the pen, I could achieve anything. And by the way, the authors of the book that was originally inspired me, Marshall Goldsmith, Frances Hasselbein, and Dick Becker, have since become very, very good friends. When you have resolve, you can accomplish anything.